Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix ER05 error on Breville Barista Touch. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, why is this actually happening here? So in this case, the milk thermistor here is faulty. So if you're getting this issue, again, the milk thermistor is faulty. So which is causing this error here. So the good news about this one is this can actually be fixed. So it is a common issue that you can actually easily fix, but in this case, you need to replace the thermistor here, but Breville is aware of that, so you just need to contact them regarding this issue. So how do you get in touch with their customer support? So you just want to go to their official website here, and you want to go to the very bottom of their official website. Just go to the very bottom here. You want to go to the option for online support. Just scroll down a bit here. You want to click on the create new request in here. And from then on, it should redirect you to our page. In this case, it will ask you a few details about yourself. That includes your first name, last name, email, your address here, your city, and the inquiry type. So you just need to fill out the options or the necessary form here. So you can go and click on order and issue. You can go and choose your product or which product did you purchase here. And once you submit your request here, they will reach out to you via email and report to you anything that you need to know regarding your product. If it's still within warranty, they will give you the appropriate fixes that you need on your device. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.